treat yourself to a test drive in the 2013 Toyota Venza. With fewer than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the competition. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, like power windows, mirrors, and seats, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, heated seats, turn signal indicator mirrors, a power rear cargo door, rear wipers, and remote keyless entry. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.